my name is Denisenko Denis. In this video, we will go over the functionality of Cookie Robot in the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. Some websites use third-party cookies to check your browser environment using various methods. In order to appear as a real user, the browser needs to have cookies or some browsing history. Cookie Robot can automate the process of visiting each site and help collect cookies automatically. Go to the browser section. Click the three dots on the screen you need and select Cookie Robot. Enter the websites for which you want Cookie Robot to collect cookies. Websites should be entered one per line or by pressing the Enter key. For example, youtube.com, amazon.com, booking.com. After entering the websites, you can specify the mode in which the cookies should be generated. The first mode is Don't Load Images. Images will not be loaded while Cookie Robot is running. This will reduce traffic usage on your proxy or internet connection. The second mode is Run in Headless Mode. In this mode, the processes are identical to those in an open profile, but the profile window is not displayed and runs in the background, which puts less load on your PC and increases the speed of the procedure. After entering all the data and selecting the modes, click the Start button and wait for the robot to finish its work. We remind you that all new users receive a 20% discount on their first payment with the promo code YouTube. If you make a one-time payment for any annual plan, you automatically receive a 40% discount. Don't forget to comment on the tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest updates and project news. Thank you for watching.